And I'm Mayla.
And I'm Eloise. Today we have the fidget spinner surprise box. So we're each gonna take turns pulling out a fidget spinner from this box and we're gonna show it to you guys.
This is what I got. It comes in a case. Let's open it. It's fun.
Ooh, it's cool. It's soft too.
It's very smooth. I like it. I love the little jingle in it. Well, I like it.
Okay guys, it's time to move on to the next spinner. I'll take this one. Oh, this is so cool. It's 3 colors. Oh, actually 4 because of the white too.
There's a gnat.
Oh, that's cool. It's like, it has like
gold
circle design on it.
Yeah, like
something.
You can't really,
cool.
you probably can't see it in the camera,
Yeah.
but there's like a circle on top. Whoa! I can't do it. Whoa, it's pretty heavy compared to the other ones.
Yeah, it is.
And it's like the bigger kinds. The other one, the Geo got, was pretty small.
Whoa, I like it. It's like smooth.
Yeah.
If you don't like
Wait.
What's it gonna be?
Yay! Look at this. I got a black and red one. I can't wait to open it.
This is so exciting, guys.
This is like probably my favorite video. Look at that.
Oh, that is
look,
so
it's like black
cool.
and red. It's like,
Oh,
if
yeah,
it was
that
green
is
and red,
so
it would be like
cool.
Christmas colors. It looks really, it's really
it has
cool.
like black with red, and then it has
It
like,
spins really smoothly too.
it's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, I love this.
It's a cool design.
Now it's my turn. Whoa, it's a red one. Look, guys. And there's another one over here. It's Cinderella.
You guys have to help us figure out what that one is.
It's my turn again. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I don't know which kind it is. What? It's in a wrapper. Whoa.
Oh my, that is amazing.
This is pretty. Whoa.
It's even shining right here a little.
Look at this color. It's like a Ferris wheel when you spin it gently.
My turn, guys. This one. Oh, guys, this is another one of those amazing cases. Oh, this is so cool. I'm like the rainbow girl. Like everything's all rainbow for me.
Yeah, I have a rainbow too.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
She got green, blue, and red.
It's funny, guys, because this one is also green, blue, and red. Lucky. It looks like it's disappearing on the table.
And it also looks like a planet.
Wow. It's like Saturn or something.
Cool. It's glow in the dark. Look at that. It's a glow in the dark one.
Fidget.
Fidget spinner. Glow in the dark.
Let's see if it really glows.
Oh,
they're
those are
guys.
smooth looking, right?
Yeah, they look super smooth.
Okay, Mayla, your turn for your second Fidget.
Her name is going to be Fidget.
This one's gonna be Blackie. This
Nice.
one's gonna be colorful.
Oh, cool, Mayla. Mayla,
I
this is
got
so
the same
similar
one.
to mine.
Look, guys. Well, it's like spinning.
It's almost the same as mine, actually. Pretty much.
It is. Look,
Yeah.
see?
Almost. These are the differences, guys.
Yeah, because the white and the red.
Oh. Let's try this out, YouTubers.
Oh, that's quiet.
It's like, feels like waterish.
Another glow in the dark one.
Ow.
Ooh. Oh, that looks so cool.
Gold.
Oh my, that looks so amazing.
Golden.
It's really heavy.
It's
like
similar-
really heavy.
Like, it's gold just like Eloise's. Yeah. But
You guys,
like
these are really fun. Really fun.
It's like so heavy. I'm scared to drop it and break it because it's like so heavy. The finger part here like fits my thumb perfectly. Wow, that looks cool.
It's like lightish on the back. Now it's my turn.
Whoa!
Wow. Look, guys.
Oh, it's just like mine.
Wow, she has the gold one just like my gold one. But hers is like Geo's kind.
Like I have like 2 colors and
Can
now
you
it's
help
like
me?
matching.
Oh wow, it feels really good, this part.
It's like light. It's actually
Is it really light?
Yeah.
Aww. The back fell, but I can easily fix it. This is on the back. It says something. I don't know what to say.
My turn to pick. It's a blue fidget spinner. It's my turn now. Got a glow in the dark one. Just like my other one. Oh, look at this. Look at that.
I'm so excited, guys. I got a glow in the dark one.
There's so many glow in the dark.
Everyone got
There's 4.
one except for me.
I have that many.
Jingle bells, go all the way.
It's like jingles. Jingle.
Yeah, because I spin her for the 2nd time and everyone else has gone 3 times. I'm going to see which one is going to stop last.
I'm gonna see which one.
Let's see which one doesn't
stop.
It's like a rainbow.
Wow.
Who's gonna win? I don't know. Not.
Tootsie's going to win.
Oh, that's like an elephant. The eye, the trunk, and the feet.
The only one that's going steadily is Tootsie because I haven't touched her. Yeah, but you.
Yeah, but that red one.
At all?
That one is. I didn't even. No one touched her.
We were expecting 10 more, but they didn't make it in time for the video.
This is Hallie, that's why she's ringing. See?
I have the best sunglasses ever. They're like the tackiest thing ever, and I love tacky stuff.
But Daddy, look!
Let's
This
try to
is
do
gonna
some.
stay in my finger for many
Look.
minutes now, guys. So we picked the best ones out of our pile, and now we're gonna race them and see which one is the fastest. On your mark.
Daddy, help me!
Go!
Yay! I'm gonna use win. Because my Daddy spin mine first.
I think mine's gonna win.
I think mine's gonna win
because
it's
Daddy
really
did
cool. And Daddy did mine too. That's
Daddy
why it's
did
really
mine
good.
too.
Mine is like as fast as Daddy's.
Mine is really good because I think it's gonna win.
It's funny because Havlis doesn't look like it's going very fast.
I know mine doesn't
Yay.
look like it's going fast, but it just
I
stays
know.
forever.
Whoa! Mine's going so fast, guys.
I think that's how it's made. It doesn't look like
And
it's going
Eloise's
so
is
fast,
really
but
cool
it really
too.
is.
Yeah. Mine's
I think
going
mine's
really
gonna
fast.
Eloise looks like it's stopping already, but it's not.
I know, right? Like
Gio looks like it's stopping and it's not.
Come on, guys, go, 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 go! Wow, Gio
That's
stopped.
like all.
And he was the one that went for
Wow.
last.
I know.
Okay, keep on going, it's
Okay,
going.
it's
Let's see,
going.
3 to go, 3 to go.
Were you just imagining?
It's okay, you know
Yay,
what?
I hope mine's gonna win.
Yay! I can't wait to win.
Yay!
Oh my goodness, I'm amazed.
Yay! He's
I'm
gonna
amazed.
win.
I'm gonna win.
Yay!
Tootsie.
Oh,
I'm gonna
Tootsie,
win.
Yay!
If I win, I'm gonna scream.
Me too, because
Oh, Tootsie, stop it!
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Tootsie!
Oh no, Eloise
Tootsie,
is
Woozy,
stopping.
Woozy.
No.
Eloise is fast.
I think mine's gonna win because it stopped
Wow,
before.
wow,
so
wow,
mine's
wow.
gonna win.
How does it say that?
I spun so fast, so slow, I didn't think I would ever win.
My goodness, let's see who's gonna win.
Yay!
Who's gonna lose? I think.
Yay!
Whoever wins that
Yay.
one to be in my team. I knew this one was my best one.
Oh my goodness. I thought Matos was gonna win.
And mine went so slow in the beginning when I spun
Wow.
it.
Yay.
It keeps
And
going
it's still going
forever.
so fast.
Yeah, this one's
And
like
imagine
really
if I
fast.
would have spun it.
Like I never had to spin it again when we were spinning over here.
Yeah, mine's slowing down.
Look at this.
Oh no! Yay! I'm gonna win!
Look at this.
I'm gonna win! I'm gonna win! Unless they both switch.
Literally, guys. I mean, we had to cut because it's so. It keeps
It's
going forever.
song! I won! Look, it's keeping.
Yeah,
I think Tootsie's the
Yay!
She's gonna win. Oh wait,
She's gonna win.
Yeah, she already won.
She's still going.
Wait, you said you were gonna scream if she wins, so.
I said I would scream if I won, and it's still going. Everyone else has stopped a long time ago.
Yeah.
Probably stopped like 2 minutes ago, and mine is still going. I traded this one for this one. He really wanted that one. I love this one. But that one goes
still
really
going.
fast too. Yeah, it's still going. It's like finally stopping. The camera's battery stopped, so he had to go change another one for like 3 minutes. Then it was still going, and like it finally stopped. Like right now.
Like the very moment he turned it.
Yeah, so I won! I can't believe it. I said mine was like almost stopping, and I said, oh, probably not gonna win. And I won. I finally won. Bye. I hope you like our fidget spinner video. Bye.
And hope you guys keep spinning.
Yay! Hi, we're the Silver Kids. I'm Gia. And I'm Javi.
Hold on, no.
And I'm
You're like this. Hi, I'm the Silver Kid. You guys have to stop moving.
I'm Gia from the Silver Family. We're the Silver Kids. I'm Gia. And I'm Javila.
Aya.
I said Aya.
Okay, let's start again. 1, 2, 3.
We're the Silver Kids.
It's not funny anymore, Giovanni. That'd be so.
Buddy.
I'm so excited. It's now finally my turn. Oh, cool. Look at this one. I got a black one. Yeah.
Now let's do it again.
Hi guys.
Okay. No,
I'm Gio. Oh, I just don't know. Hi, I'm the Silver Family.
no.